你好，天津。
I'm really impressed by the diversity and the beauty of Tianjin architecture, and the fact that you can find so many different styles combined here, and they're preserved so well. It's really something amazing, something to encourage, and especially now in the dusk, it's especially beautiful, and that's why I'm trying to capture it with my camera, which is not good enough, but it's okay. And I think Tianjin, in terms of architecture, is by far the best city in China.